FTax VAT Link is a spreadsheet tool which enables you to transfer VAT data calculated in your own spreadsheet to the FTax VAT PDF form. Your data will then be ready to submit to HMRC in an MTD compliant manner. This means that you can submit VAT data using your existing spreadsheets without the need to retype or cut and paste data. In this video, we will look at downloading the tool to your computer, linking your current spreadsheets to the tool, mapping the data in your spreadsheets to the tool, and using the tool to export VAT data to the FTax VAT PDF ready for submission to HMRC. The tool has been designed to work with a wide range of spreadsheet layouts and versions of Excel. It is provided free when you buy FTax VAT. Begin by downloading the FTax VAT Link tool. Click on the link which is provided when you buy FTax VAT and save the tool in a known location on your computer. Next, you need to link the tool to your existing spreadsheets. Begin by opening your existing Excel spreadsheet. For the purposes of this video, we will use a spreadsheet which contains data. You may prefer to use a template, which contains only your formulas and formatting, and which can be copied and populated for each client and/or quarter. You are now going to insert the tool into your workbook so that each of your worksheets has its own copy of the tool on a linked worksheet. Open FTax VAT Link and click the Enable Macros box at the top of the page. The precise wording varies in different versions of Excel, for example, Enable all macros or Security warning, some content has been disabled, and a tab of options to enable the macros. You should now see written instructions for preparing your spreadsheet, which are echoed in this video. If you prefer a video demonstration, open Excel and this video in separate windows. You may wish to print the written instructions before clicking the FTax VAT Link tab at the bottom of the workbook to view that worksheet. Click the Home tab and then Format drop-down in the Cells group. Go to the Organize Sheets section, or in Excel 2003 choose Move or Copy Sheet from the resulting shortcut menu. In the Move or Copy dialog, choose your existing spreadsheet in the To Book drop-down list, using Before Sheet to place the tool before or after your existing sheet. If you prefer, you can bypass the ribbon menus by right-clicking on the Sheet tab in FTax VAT Link and using Move or Copy from the shortcut menu. Whichever method you use, you should now tick Create a Copy and click OK. Excel will now copy the FTax VAT Link sheet into your existing spreadsheet. Save your spreadsheet. You may be prompted to save a macro-enabled worksheet, depending on the current format of your sheet and version of Excel. If this is the case, you should do so. Your workbook now contains the FTax VAT Link tool. Next, you need to map cells in your worksheet to the yellow highlighted cells in the FTax VAT Link sheet. These cells correspond to boxes 1 to 9 on the HMRC VAT return. Select a yellow cell to be linked. In the formula bar at the top of the screen, type an equals sign. Navigate to the worksheet that contains the source of this data. Click the relevant cell and press Enter. A link has now been inserted into the relevant box in the tool. If you click that cell, the formula bar at the top of the page will show you the reference For example, equals sheet 1 exclamation mark 04, where sheet 1 is the name of your existing worksheet and 04 is the relevant cell in that sheet. If you look at the FTAX VAT Link sheet, you should now see your data and that the cell is no longer yellow. Continue to add links to all of the yellow cells which are relevant to your return. If you don't yet have data for a cell, or if the cell will be blank on your return, you can leave it blank, or fill in the yellow cell directly with a 0. The tool will sit within your spreadsheet and will constantly recalculate the values as you enter them. The data can be saved on your computer and imported into the VAT section of the FTAX cashbook, where it can be submitted to HMRC. You will only need to do this linking exercise once. When a workbook requires a new sheet, for example at the beginning of a new financial year, copy both the FTAX VAT link sheet and the sheet to which it is linked by holding down Control and selecting both at the same time. When you have finished adding data to your spreadsheet, you are ready to begin exporting. To move your VAT data to the FTAX VAT PDF, export your data to a file by clicking on Create Export File. A new file called ftaxexport.txt will be created in the same location as your existing worksheet. To import your data, open the FTAX VAT PDF and click the Import button. Navigate to the location of the export file and select it. A video on this and other aspects of using the FTAX VAT PDF form will be available soon.